Hey, Freedom Stickers. Freedom Sticker here. Got something in the mail today. Let's see what I got. Hey, Freedom Stickers. Let's get into it. As soon as I saw those shiny half dollars, the 40%ers from Steve Rice, I immediately called them and immediately ordered another roll of his 40%ers. Let them know I had to have some more. Bubble wraps. Everything's always packaged so well. Good job, Steve. Sent me a tube of dimes. And a roll of 40%ers. Alright, that's 4 at random. All of them are 1966, so I'm going to assume that all of these are 1966, like the last roll I got from him. Once again, stunners. I don't know if you guys can see those or... I need to move it over. Huh. That might be better. It's not so much of a glare with that light. It's a new ring light, so I'm kind of getting used to it. Absolute stunners. Whole roll of 1966 40%ers. Add into my 40% stack. Sweet. Beautiful, beautiful. Thank you so much, Cyclops Stacks. goodness. I don't want to go in there forever homes. I might like paper better than plastic, huh? Huh. There we go. Ooh. Another roll of beauties added to the stack. It's a little under 3 ounces of silver added to the stack right there. Nice. Sweet, sweet. Went ahead and picked up another $5 face 90% constitutional dimes. Let's go ahead and put them into date. Senior Pacho. Garden stuff. Making sure everything's going good. Sweet. Alright. That's some 1964 Denvers. Some more 1964 Philadelphia. Some more 1963 Denver. Almost getting a full tube of those. Starting another tube of those here pretty soon. 1962 Denver. Same thing with those. A little bit more of those. Maybe starting a new tube of those as well. We got one 1961. Few 1960s. Then we're into the 50s. We got 1959. $1958. 1957. One more. 1956. Still no 1955s. 1954. 1953. I'm going to check these. Is that? Yeah. 1952. This other one was 1950. 1949. 1948s. 1947. And 1940, either 8 or 9, I'm not sure. The slick around the rim, so it goes in the slick dime. Which Senior Pacho guards along with the Dos Pesos. Any dimes that I've gotten from any of you in the community, and my gift dime too, and my slick dime too. Senior Pacho does a good job. He keeps trying to talk me into buying him another Dos Pesos to guard. Night, Senior Pacho. Once again, thank you, Steve Rice, for always sending me awesome constitutional to go through and helping me hit my goals and allowed me to add to my stack. Only you can make your stacking goals your stacking realities. For more stacking and collecting fun like this, check out this playlist. Hit that thumbs up If you're not already subscribed, please do. Hit that bell. That way you'll know when my new videos come out. Hit me up through email on Facebook or Instagram, link in my About page. And as always, keep stacking, and I'll see you in the next one.